In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Roblox name without having to wait the 7 days. Now actually there's a little trick that if you go to settings right here, and if you have changed your name to something, let's say you have this, right? If this was your name, you can go to your change name and you can change it back to your original username. And you can do that without waiting a week. So let's say my name was something else and I cannot change it to something new because I have to wait a week. I can always change it back to my username. So if you want, you can go back to your original username by typing your name up here as your username. So that's basically how you can do it. But keep in mind, you cannot change it to something new. You can only go back to your username. Now, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.